neural networks, types, working and application, and how we use Python programming in it. They consist of interconnected layers of nodes, known as neurons, which work collectively to process information. The primary types of neural networks include feed-forward neural networks, convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs. Each type serves a distinct purpose, tailored to handle specific data forms like images, sequences, or temporal elements, enabling diverse applications such as computer vision and natural language processing. The working principle of neural networks is based on a structure of layers. An input layer receives the input data, hidden layers transform the data through weighted connections, and an output layer delivers the prediction. The training process involves adjusting the weights through an iterative method, commonly stochastic gradient descent, minimizing the error between predicted and actual outcomes. This tuning is achieved during backpropagation, a method where the network learns from its mistakes by calculating gradients and updating the weights accordingly, refining the network's performance over time. Python programming plays a pivotal role in implementing neural networks thanks to its robust libraries such as TensorFlow and PyTorch. These libraries offer efficient tools and frameworks that simplify the complexities involved in neural network design and training. With Python, developers can effortlessly build, train, and deploy neural networks, harnessing the power of high-level coding to define architectures, in addition to perform optimizations. The ease of prototyping in Python encourages rapid experimentation, allowing researchers and developers to innovate without the overhead of lower-level programming languages. Additionally, Python's rich ecosystem encompasses data manipulation libraries like Pandas and NumPy, facilitating crucial data pre-processing steps necessary for effective neural network training. Applications of neural networks are vast and varied, spanning sectors such as healthcare, finance, and technology. In image recognition, CNNs enhance the accuracy of identifying objects, while RNNs excel in sequence prediction tasks, like language translation. This transformative technology also plays a significant role in autonomous vehicles, enabling real-time decision-making analyses based on sensory data. Furthermore, neural networks drive advancements in artificial intelligence, contributing to intelligent personal assistants that understand and respond to user queries, demonstrating the profound impact of this technology on our everyday lives. In sum, neural networks embody a key technological advancement, greatly influenced by the capabilities of Python programming. Their diverse types and implementations enable significant contributions across various fields. As we continue to explore this remarkable intersection of technology, the future of newer,